I'm a great officiant. Of course I step out for the kiss shot.
I'm a great officiant. Of course I can issue your marriage license.
I'm a great officiant, and of course I ensure that the ceremony is fun and joyful.
I'm a great officiant. Of course I'm going to know all the prayers.
I'm a great officiant. Of course I can create a special unity ceremony.
I'm a great officiant, and of course I do LGBTQIA+ weddings.
I'm a great officiant, and of course I provide a professional and polished ceremony.
I'm a great officiant. Of course I make sure that the ceremony reflects the couple's personality.
I'm a great officiant, and of course I provide a memorable and engaging ceremony experience.
I'm a great officiant, and of course I make sure every detail is perfect from start to finish.
I'm a great officiant, and of course I incorporate personal anecdotes into the ceremony.
I'm a great officiant, and of course we work together to create a ceremony that everyone will remember fondly.
I'm a great officiant. Of course I offer creative ideas for unique ceremonies.
I'm a great officiant, and of course I create a warm and welcoming atmosphere for all your guests.
I'm a great officiant, and of course I incorporate conversations.
I'm a great officiant. Of course I know the Chinese customs.
I'm a great officiant. Of course I tailor the ceremony to the couple's vision.
I'm a great officiant. Of course your ceremony will be blessed.
I'm a great officiant, and of course I can make your ceremony muy bueno.
I'm a great officiant, and of course you can break the glass.
I'm a great officiant. Of course I do tea ceremonies.
I'm a great officiant, and of course I handle all your paperwork efficiently.
I'm a great officiant, and of course I keep the ceremony on schedule.
I'm a great officiant, and of course I can do a South Asian ceremony.
I'm a great officiant. Of course I'm going to go over the cues with the DJ.
I'm a great officiant, and of course I know the wine blessing.
Oh, I'm a great officiant. Of course I can speak Korean really well.
I'm a great officiant, and of course I offer a calming and reassuring presence.
I'm a great officiant, and of course I can sing the prayers.
I'm a great officiant, and I will make sure that your ceremony is legally binding.
I'm a great officiant, and of course I provide tips on writing personal vows.
I'm a great officiant, and of course I can do all the sacraments.
Great officiant, and of course I know the 7 blessings for marriage.
I am a great officiant. Of course I marry Martians. So, if you want a great ceremony, of course you're going to choose a great officiant.